Cyfarthfa Park is one of the most incredible localities in South Wales, really. Although it's only 200 years old, the story of Cyfarthfa and Merthyr dates back far further. 300 million years ago, South Wales was south of the equator, basking in tropical conditions. The area that we currently know as the South Wales coalfield was a low-lying tropical swamp where for the first time plants colonised the land. And it was these primitive plants, when they died and fell into swampy, organic, rich waters, decayed and formed coal. And it was that coal and then the iron that formed alongside it that was able to establish the Industrial Revolution in South Wales.
For the Industrial Revolution, or for the iron-making process, you really do need these three things. You need the limestone, you need the coal and coke, and you need the ironstone. And you can get those things in other places, but in few other places are they so readily accessible. Without the mineral wealth, without these three rocks, Merthyr wouldn't be what it is today. It wouldn't have been, the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution. There would be no Cyfarthfa Castle. There would be no Cyfarthfa Park.
So my project in Cyfarthfa is called Merthyr's Roots. We wanted a garden where we could show people what the environment of Wales was like millions of years ago, how coal formed, where iron came from. We do a variety of different sort of activities that I suppose encourage kind of inquisitive learning.
We've been looking for animals that live in the water, looking for fossils, and we found some really cool ones.
I did saw two pieces of coal and one fossil. It was like a stem in the middle and some leaves on the stem. Before we did this, we were going deeper in the woods because Ben set up some animal traps to see if any animals got in there. We found two bankfuls and they were very, very cute. One was a boy and one was a girl. It was very fun.
I love what I do. I mean, I'm very fortunate to be in a position where I can come somewhere and work on something that I'm really passionate about. I've got all that amazing nature and wildlife and natural history on my doorstep. And we've also got places like Cyfarthfa Park, the sort of jewel in Merthyr's crown, really. And the whole sort of package works together holistically to provide a really special place for the local community.